What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the download failed error you are getting when using WhatsApp. This error can be particularly frustrating, especially when you're trying to download important media files. One of the main reasons you might encounter this error is due to the changes in where WhatsApp stores media on your device. With recent updates, WhatsApp has shifted the default storage location, which can lead to confusion and errors when the app tries to access files in the new location. Start by locating where WhatsApp currently stores your media files. Open the Files app on your Android device and navigate to Internal Storage, Android, Data, com.whatsapp. Within this directory, you will find the WhatsApp folder. This is the old location where all your WhatsApp media used to be stored. If you don't find it here, then it's probably on the main page of your internal folder. The next step is to locate the new storage path for WhatsApp media. Go back to the main internal storage page. Then follow this path: Android, Media, com.whatsapp. Here, you should see a WhatsApp folder for storing media. This is the new location where WhatsApp on your device currently stores all of your data. If there's no WhatsApp folder here, there's no need to worry. We will move the WhatsApp folder from your old location to this new location. But before we proceed with moving files, it's crucial to force stop the WhatsApp application to prevent any potential issues during the transfer. To do this, go to your Settings app, find the Apps or Application Manager section, search for WhatsApp, and then tap on Force Stop on the WhatsApp settings page. Now, you're ready to move your media files from the old location to the new one. Copy the entire WhatsApp folder from the old location and paste it to the new location under Android, Media, com.whatsapp. Depending on the amount of data you have, this may take some time, so be patient. After the files have successfully been moved to the new location, all you need to do is restart your phone. Press and hold the power button until you see the power off screen. Restart your device and then try downloading the media file again. The download failed error should no longer appear, as WhatsApp will now correctly locate and access your media files in their new location. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.